Greetings everyone. In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can type and search items using Datalist and as well add custom links to the search items. Basically, we can type and search items and as well when clicked goes to the respective links. Let's get started. For more WordPress content, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Now, to add type and search using Datalist, we need to log into our WordPress dashboard. We are already logged into our dashboard, and this website is using the default WordPress theme, which is 2021 theme. The code we provide should work with other themes too. Now to add type and search, we have our codes here. So this is the code we will be using. In this option value, we can add our own search items names, and this is the respective URL. Let me quickly modify the option values and URL. By the way, you can add as many option values as you want. After adding items and the links, simply copy this code. We will add this to theme functions. Go to Appearance and Theme File Editor. Go to Theme Functions. Scroll down and paste the code here. Update file. So it's updated. Now to use this, we have to use a shortcode on a page or post. This is the shortcode we need to use. To show, let me add new page. Give any title. And here choose Custom HTML. So this is the shortcode we are going to use. Copy this and paste it here. You can use this shortcode on any page or post to display this form. Now publish. Let me preview the page. So here is the form. Let's check with the search term. If I click Contact, it goes to the link we added. Likewise, visitors can search the terms which will go to the respective links. The design of this may depend on the browser. Anyway, so this is how you can type and search using Datalist. Thank you very much.